Hey team, welcome back to the channel. If you're working hard in the gym, but still feel like your energy's crashing or your gains are slow, this video is for you. Today we're talking meal timing. When to eat before, after, and even before bed to get the most out of your training and recovery. And yes, we're diving into science, no myths, no bro science, just real practical strategies backed by research. So grab your notebook because this is your complete guide to meal timing for performance and recovery. Let's start with pre-workout meals. Your goal here is simple: fuel your body without weighing it down. The best window to eat is about 1.5 to 3 hours before your workout. Studies show that consuming a balanced meal of carbs and protein before exercise improves performance, spares muscle glycogen, and reduces muscle breakdown. Avoid high-fat or high-fiber meals too close to training. They digest slowly and can cause bloating or fatigue during your workout. What if you train early and don't have time for a full meal? No stress. Go for a light snack 30 to 45 minutes before. Research shows fasted cardio doesn't significantly improve fat loss long-term and may slightly reduce performance, especially for resistance training. Food equals fuel. Now, post-workout, the classic question: how soon should you eat after training? That 30-minute anabolic window is actually more of a broad opportunity, not a ticking time bomb. Science says you ideally want to eat within 1 to 2 hours after training to optimize recovery and muscle protein synthesis. Replenish glycogen with carbs. Repair muscle with protein. About a 3-to-1 carbs to protein ratio depending on the workout intensity. Chicken and sweet potato. Whey protein and banana. Tuna wrap and fruit, rice, lean beef and veggies. Let's talk about nighttime nutrition. What you eat before bed can help or hurt your recovery. During deep sleep, growth hormone peaks, helping with tissue repair and growth. But your body still needs nutrients to do this. Casein protein, which is slow digesting, can be found in cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, or casein powder. A small handful of nuts or a spoon of natural peanut butter for healthy fats. Oats or a banana for slow-releasing carbs. Eat your last meal about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. It allows partial digestion and avoids sleep disruption. Avoid sugary snacks or caffeine close to bedtime. They interfere with sleep quality and recovery. If you don't eat right after training, your gains are gone. Totally false. The truth is, muscle protein synthesis remains elevated for up to 24 to 48 hours. Just don't routinely skip your post-workout meal. Eating before bed makes you fat. Also false. The truth is, it's not about timing, it's about total calories and macros. If your pre-bed snack fits your daily goals, it helps, not harms. Here's a quick meal timing blueprint for performance and recovery. Pre-workout, eat 1.5 to 3 hours before training. Focus on carbs and protein. Small snack, eat 30 to 45 minutes before. Post-workout, eat within 1 to 2 hours. Aim for protein and carbs, hydrate well. Before bed, slow digesting protein 60 to 90 minutes before sleep. Casein is king. Your body thrives on consistency. Find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Your performance and recovery will thank you. If this helped you, smash that like button and share this with your gym partner. Drop a comment with your favorite pre- or post-workout meal. I want to see what you're fueling with. And don't forget to subscribe because we break down fitness myths with real science every week.